Namaskar. Welcome to Ancient Wisdom. Does the Tithi change every 10 miles? This was a question asked to me by someone, and that is a question that we'll answer today. First, let us see what is Tithi. A Tithi is the angular distance between the sun and the moon. And every 12 degrees of this angular distance is called as one Tithi. So 12 degrees is Pratipada, then the next 12 degrees is called as Dvitiya, then the next 12 degrees is called as Tritiya, and so on and so forth. When the distance is 180 degrees, the sun and moon are exactly opposite each other in the earth-centric universe, and that is 180 degrees distance, and that is called as Purnima. Purnimasya. When they are both together, angular distance 0, that is what we called as Amavasya. So now, coming to, does the Tithi change every 10 miles? It depends on how these 10 miles are counted. This 10 miles has to be the longitudinal distance or distance in the east-west direction. For example, the sun does not rise everywhere at the same time. Sunrise time every place is different. But the sunrise time between, say, Mumbai, Aurangabad and Nagpur and Panji. So the Panji distance, Mumbai to Panji, Mumbai to Pune, Mumbai to Nagpur and Mumbai to Aurangabad, all distances are different. But the difference between sunrise time in Mumbai and Panji is only about 1 minute. That between Mumbai and Pune is almost 10 minutes. Though the distance between Mumbai and Pune and distance Mumbai to Panji is much different. In the same way, Mumbai to Panji distance is about 900 kilometers. Mumbai to Aurangabad distance is about 450 kilometers. But Aurangabad has a difference of almost 20 minutes in sunrise time as compared to Mumbai. This happens because of the longitudinal distance. The distance from east to west between the two cities. And as we see that in Aurangabad, the sun will rise, say, at local sunrise time 6 o'clock. Mumbai, it will be almost 6:20 by the time sun rises on the same day. This is because of rotation of the earth and location of these places. Now there is another convention, because the Tithi does not follow sunrise. Tithi is between sun and moon. It has nothing to do with earth. So the Tithi could be for starting before the sunrise or after the sunrise. So what is the Tithi of that day? The convention is, in general, the Tithi that is at the beginning of the day or the sunrise is taken to be the Tithi of that day. So if the sunrise is at 6 o'clock and at 6 o'clock the Tithi prevailing is Tritiya, the day's Tithi is Tritiya. Now the interesting part starts here. Suppose the Tithi changes at 6:10. At 6 o'clock in Aurangabad, the sunrise happens, and so it will have the earlier Tithi. Whereas now the Tithi changes at 6:10. So on the same day in Mumbai, the sun rises at 6:20 and the Tithi has already changed. So the Mumbai will have the next Tithi. So if Tithi of the day at Aurangabad is Tritiya, the Tithi of the day at Mumbai would be Chaturthi. But the Tithi itself changes at 6:10 for Aurangabad as well as for Mumbai. In fact, Tithi remains same all over the world, because Tithi by definition is the angular distance between sun and moon. So earth does not come into action in that equation at all. So Tithi is constant, but it is because of our convention of taking the Tithi at sunrise to be the Tithi of the day. We believe that there is a different Tithi prevailing at Aurangabad and a different Tithi prevailing at Mumbai. I hope this clears the matter, and these things have started becoming or coming in vogue even only now because of another complication. A Panchanga is supposed to be applicable to the Panchakroshi, the village and 5 nearby villages. The calculations are all location related. Also, it depends on time, place and circumstances for auspiciousness, inauspiciousness and so on. But today, a person from West Bengal comes and settles in Mumbai. A person from Patna comes and stays in Mumbai. A person from Thiruvananthapuram also comes in and stays in Mumbai. So now in Mumbai, we have so many Panchang and the users of Panchang, and that is why the confusion comes in. If you have any confusion of this sort, please contact us. We will be very happy to clear up for you. That is Ancient Wisdom Today. Namaskar.